all, I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't read the instructions to see what
we.
Oh!
Nah, I did not do that.
Who knocked my house down? So at this point we trying to get the house built because they say you gotta let it sit for like an hour or two so the house can stay together, and then we'll be doing the decorating challenge later on in the video. So yeah, right now we just had to massage the icing. They told us to cut a little slit in the side. I don't know, that don't even look big enough. I'm already starting off a little, you know, we're gonna see what happens. Nelly cutting off her size. Yeah, oh yeah, y'all. This is my special. That's my best friend right now. But later on, we entering the kids and everybody else into the challenge of the best gingerbread house decoration. And I keep looking at my viewfinder versus the camera. Now I'm gonna be looking at the camera because I'm messing up. What you done did? Your hole too big? I think I did my hole too big. That's why I said see.
No, yours ain't too.
Look,
mine's all the way down there. Look.
Y'all ain't seen.
We'll be alright.
So I mean.
Alright, so I saw a lady on YouTube, she put a thin layer at the bottom to make the house stand up. Oh yeah, we gotta show y'all what gingerbread house we doing, Nelly. Hold up here. Please. Oh, is that thumb yet?
Gingerbread, 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 gingerbread.
This is what we got right here. So yeah, hopefully it looks something like this. But they didn't even give you enough decoration in this thing for it to look like that, first of all.
The children probably gonna eat all of it.
And they keep asking to eat it. So we gonna try to get the house built to let it sit for the decoration portion. I'm turning the camera on so I can get some footage of this just in case this is quiet this part. Stand up thing now. My house is which one you think I should be for? With grease now.
Somebody hold that right there.
Oh! Help me, Holy Ghost.
Stop.
Boy, I've been too excited.
Okay, I'm about to put this down because I'm gonna hold this one. I'm gonna hold this.
I'm starting to think my little piping going around my house.
Cause they make it seem like it's supposed to just.
Yeah, like this I see at the next time, like Jada said, we just go buy the cookie.
We just gonna buy the cookie. Cause at this point and below it now, we can't. Something ain't right. You supposed to put a lot or a little bit.
11 or 11:30. You know that was I was about to say 11. I was about to say 11 or 11:30. Girl, you gonna make me cry and my house gonna fucking fall, and this that was my next thing. It's about gingerbread.
Nigga, give me 5. God damn.
That's what it sounded like you were trying to say, so I just had to go ahead and say it. So we finally done After all the breaking down, falling down, this is the best we can do. Some of our pieces was broken, so we had to make do with what we had. They say tie a rubber band around it, but my roof is not sitting long enough for me to tie a rubber band around it.
Like this
no, just like to hold the roof up. She tied them this way.
Boy, y'all shit, both of y'all shit split down the middle.
Alright guys, so now we about to get into the challenge portion of this video. Now, we got 10 minutes to decorate your gingerbread house. You got 10 minutes to decorate your gingerbread house. You got 10 minutes to decorate your gingerbread house. I'm putting the 10-minute timer on right now. Once I press start, you can decorate it any way you like. We got, what we got? Nerds, sweet tarts, runts, and bottle caps. So, yeah. Banana. So, yeah. That's what we got. Nelly, you're on this time to get this thing going. Start guys. Okay, rock on the door. So, your dad doesn't pipe in. I got the door. Look, it's in the house. You see how to do that? Okay. The roof cover. But then you're going to have to put some more ice on it.
Yes. We can eat it. What to say?
Yeah.
Baby alive.
That thing don't got nothing to do with no baby. Got something falling up here.
That shit already look good. We over here dot nasty. Dot nasty.
Yeah, I think Team 1 beating Team 2 right now. More Team 2 looking trash. Team 2 looking trash.
No, they got some good
Cause our hole too big, man.
Oh,
Team 2 looking trash. Burger, stop eating all the stuff.
Hold
we got somebody over here eating all the filling in the background.
Don't eat all the stuff.
Baby. Man, it ain't no thing on there.
Yeah, put the extra, man. See how it's sticking to it like that?
Oh, man.
It's like sprinkles.
We got a back church going. We got a back here we gotta do.
No, the back, we got a gate back there. Ain't nobody gonna see the back.
Yeah, what's the back there?
Everybody gonna see the back. I got the front over here. y'all slick it though. It's like one of y'all roofs.
Yeah, but don't worry about that.
They take off points. Because our house is more perfect.
Don't worry about
Ours is architect to perfection. She broke it.
It was already no.
The house is lit.
No, our house lit.
All right, this what we came up with. This what we got. This what we got. I might need to pull the camera. What y'all think? This is
Wait, no, because they gotta see the front of my house.
This is the whole house. This is the Hutchins.
You know what's going on the vlog.
Let me see the front. You gotta come to the no, that's the back. You need to come to the front.
Oh, that's your back though?
You need to come to the front with my driveway. You need to come to my driveway.
Mommy, I'll put some more.
Okay. That's enough. You can't touch it no more. You can't touch it no more.
Can't touch it no more.
Oh yeah, our driveway lit
down. Put it down.
We got the Maybach jump for our though.
Man.
Little driveway, you know.
Nanners. Nanners, driveway, candy, you feel me? Straight top, you feel me? Perfectly built house.
Right there, you know.
You know what I'm saying? Perfectly architect.
You know.
You know what I'm saying?
You know.
Look, take me out the back door, smiley face, you know, happy to be there to eat the candy, you feel me?
Like that.
Boy, you a hater, man. Look, stuff on the window dripping down. Didn't stay up too good.
Okay, show. That was the Hope's home. Show the Hutchins home. Show the Hutchins Palace, the Hutchins Estate.
Nah,
that's what they call
it. Go for us, brother.
The Hutchins Estate over here.
Go wash your hands.
Look at it.
What's up, bro?
Nice and colorful.
Go wash your hands.
Oh yeah, our joint nice and colorful.
Now, why you trying to give double takes and stuff? That ain't fair.
Alright.
That ain't fair. You see how I got that heart?
Look at that, boy, look at that Maybach in the driveway. That Toro.
That side. Well, yeah, that's a divided home. This right here is equal bullshit.
Riley, what's wrong?
It's equal chaos on both sides of the home. So you know it was made in.
So what y'all think? Which one y'all think? Judge it. This is the Hopes. This is the Hutchins Estate, or the Hopes Estate.
You know what? Next time y'all gonna cut them bags.
Let me know. I mean, when it comes to candy. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this gingerbread house challenge. Let me know which one of y'all think the winners is. The Hopes over here, Hutchins over here. But y'all already know.
Hopes.
You got
y'all ain't
Hutchins gang, baby.
You know.
Hutchins gang.
It's about time you go to bed.
Oh, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. See y'all in the next